Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to create and share your Google Doc. I show you guys how to do that. You just need to search for Google Doc and you will be get doc.google.com website. Click on open it. Now you just need to select share. Before sharing it, you can name this document. For example, I just going to name my YouTube name, and after naming it, select share and add your email address that you want to send to, and after that click on this drop down, and so you can select this document view settings over here, or you can also select editor setting. You want to someone to edit, you just need to select this option, and I'm gonna select a viewer option to view this document. After selecting it, you just need to click on this copy link icon, and the link has been copied. Now you just need to paste it and click on send. That's all you have to do it, guys. That's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.